Yeah, so it's an exciting time. Bitcoin's coming down from up from a three month downtrend. 3 months sideways. Everybody got scared again. Everybody started saying it's never going to happen again. And yeah, I believe that we are in the start of the new bull run. A lot of us believe that. Max Kaisers and so many more. It's only if you really become a bear that you get bearish. Even I had a moment where I was a bit like, okay, maybe it's not happening or this and that. But then in the end, I did see that I went to go research some of my favorite stuff, like Simply Bitcoin and so on and so on. There's a lot I'll mention through the channels, but yeah, Bitcoin is busy breaking up, and yeah, hopefully we'll see quite a good bull run. So yeah, it's exciting times. Sorry.